What's your name first off?
King Radar.
Alright, go ahead.
Alright, I say, first off, let me say, nigga, I'm the best. It's King Radar, y'all, just my subjects. Real gave me a shot like a bulletproof vest. Now I'm eating these rappers and I'm not full yet. Fuck a thought, catch a shot, and yo, noggin. All I smoke is green, now they call me Green Goblin. This is not a math book, so y'all don't want no problems. Ballin' in the news and they making me a column. Switch, now I'm on some murder shit, some super just not heard of shit. KOS before I die, boy, you on my bucket list. Silly ass paper pockets humorist. Yo, bitch, give me mad head, cause she is a lunatic. Broken ass nigga looking for a fix. All my guns scary like a horror flick. Ha ha, who's laughing now? If you won't beef, then it's dead to the cow. It's King Radar, now where is the crown? Bitches trying to make up, but they're just some clowns. They ain't never been around. Busy baby run the town. I'm so hot, and I got this game on lock. Gave the key to bless, yeah, I made a spare. Why the fuck do you care? Even SpongeBob will tell you a motherfucking square. 1, 2, 3, I'm out of here, flying out the atmosphere.
E.T., hello as fuck, dog, real talk.
That nigga said, E.T. just said we do this motherfucking East Side all day.